In this module, we're going to talk about one of the biggest mistakes people make when getting started with PLR, selling it exactly as it comes. Yes, PLR gives you content that's already done for you, but if you want to actually make sales, build trust, and grow a brand that lasts, you need to go one step further. You need to make it yours. When you sell PLR as is, it shows. Your product looks generic, your brand feels lazy, and your audience can sense that something's off. And the worst part? You're competing with everyone else who has access to that exact same file. But here's the good news. With just a little effort, you can turn that same PLR into a unique, polished product that feels completely original, even if you didn't write a single word from scratch. That's the difference between noise and value. When you take time to customize your product, update the language, tweak the structure, change the design, and make it speak directly to your audience, it transforms into something powerful. Now it reflects your brand, your voice, your offer. This doesn't mean you have to reinvent the wheel. In fact, you'll learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and a few smart editing strategies to make the process fast and simple. Your goal is to take something that already exists and give it a personal edge. Because when your digital product stands out, it doesn't just make you money, and it builds credibility. And credibility leads to repeat customers, referrals, and long-term income. So if you've ever been tempted to download a PLR file, slap your logo on it, and start selling, stop right there. You're capable of more, and with a few tweaks, you'll have a product that's not only profitable, it's sustainable. In the next module, I'll show you exactly how to enhance and rebrand PLR content using ChatGPT and step by step. Let's keep going.